In this video, I'm gonna show you the different type of organisms that transfer energy from one organism to another and their examples. So the first organism is the producer or the autotroph. Example of these are grass or grasses. So these organisms get energy directly from the sun and they make their own food. And the second organism is the primary consumers or the herbivores. Example of these are the grasshopper and the zebra, who are fed with the producers or eat the producers. The third organism is the secondary consumers or the carnivores or omnivores. Now, carnivores are the organisms which are only fed by meat, and omnivores are the organisms that can be fed by meat or plants. So they can also be primary consumers. But in this case, they are secondary consumers. And the example of these are the birds that eat fish and the lion that eat other animals' meat. So these are the organisms that are fed on the primary consumers or any other uh, consumers. The last organism is the decomposer. An example of these is the earthworm. So these are the organisms which are fed on any dead organism, whether it's a dead producer, dead primary consumer, or dead secondary or tertiary consumer. So as you can see in this food pyramid, the base is the producer because it received the highest amount of energy. And as you go up to the top of the pyramid, the amount of energy decreases. So among all these organisms, the composers receive the least amount of energy. So in the next page, you're going to give your own example of each type of organisms that transfer energy.